Hello, my name is Dr. Shah. I'm the founding attorney of the Doctor Lawyer Law Group. We're a law firm dedicated to the victims of medical malpractice, wrongful death, and personal injury. Today, I wish to speak with you about a particular type of personal injury, and that is the injury caused by tractor trailers. Trucking accidents, as they're commonly known, are the cause of catastrophic injuries here in America. And some of that has to do just with basic physics. The average tractor trailer weighs about 18 tons, and the average car on the American road weighs about 2 tons. Unfortunately, when there's a collision between two such objects with such a difference in mass, the passengers and driver of the car that gets hit by a tractor trailer oftentimes are catastrophically injured. And because of the complexity of those injuries, as well as the complexities of the regulations that involve commercial drivers, it's important that you consult a law firm and an attorney that knows the inside and out of trucking accidents. So what are some of the differences in a trucking accident compared to just an ordinary accident involving two motor cars? Well, as I've already illustrated, the complexity and severity of the injuries is something that has to be considered, which means that even when liability or fault is clearly established, in order to get the maximum recovery, an attorney that represents the victims of a trucking accident has to be able to explain the complexity of the injury. In order to do that, that attorney sure well better be able to interpret and understand, with the help of a medical expert, the CAT scans and the MRIs and other imaging studies that are involved in the assessment of those injuries. And a good attorney experienced in trucking accidents also has to be able to guide his or her client in order to get the proper kind of care in order to get full recovery. As a board-certified medical doctor with 25 years of experience in emergency rooms and in private offices, I have a wealth of experience in dealing with the victims of trucking accidents on the medical side. Interestingly, in my capacity as a medical doctor, I also have regularly issued DOT commercial license medical clearances for drivers of commercial trucks, including tractor trailers. So I know on the medical side and on the regulatory side, the stringent requirements that are imposed on commercial truck drivers. For example, they have to get annual examinations. They have to also be screened annually, and even sometimes more regularly than that, for drug screens. They also have to log their hours on logs in order to make sure that they're not driving beyond the prescribed limits on the number of hours that a commercial driver can drive continuously. So there's a number of regulations that become involved in the prosecution of a trucking accident claim. If you've been injured as a result of a collision with a commercial truck or tractor trailer, you owe it to yourself to consult the attorneys at the Doctor Lawyer Law Group.